morning. It's 10:36 and we're going to Alyssa's. She invited us over. We're going to go adventuring. She said we're going to go on a drive and then a walk to see a waterfall. And first, she's making us breakfast. So we're going to have a nice breakfast. And then we're going to... Okay, it's a four-way stop. You can go, honey. Okay. So we're going to her house, going to have breakfast, and then go adventuring. I told Dustin he could come, but he wanted to stay home and play PUBG instead, so. Just us girls and our dogs. Dogs. It's a dog. Oh, and are you a dog? I started editing my... Well, I don't have to edit the mukbang because I don't like take multiple shots of that. I do it all in one shot, but I exported it and uploaded it today, and I edited and exported another video. So I've been slack-a-lacking on my YouTube, but not for long. Yesterday I filmed the how to get groceries for free video, and I didn't edit that. That one's still on the camera. But you know what? It's okay because I'm getting there. I'm getting there, and I'm working on it. Okay, well, we are going to walk to Alyssa's because she lives on a one-way street that you can't park on. So we park on this street and then walk to her house. Okay, see you in a minute.
Amazing. You don't know how to do it in the park.
No, he doesn't listen at the park.
Be nice. Be nice, Wolfie.
Look who's out and about. It's a curly Q. Hi, Ed. Oh, my girl. Excuse me. I'm trying to get the curly. Hi.
Watch Owen around him.
Oh, and look at the snack.
No. Look at the snack.
It's a little tiny snack. Aw, good boy. Yeah. Here's your paw on my hand. Aw. Alyssa's making a bacon.
Huh?
Alyssa's making bacon.
Yeah, except I gotta burn it and I'm mad about it.
I like burnt bacon.
Very good.
That's it. It's fried potatoes.
I had to ask Tyler which, if I liked home fries or hash browns.
You had to.
Because I didn't remember.
Look at this special dog dish that Alyssa's best friend made her dog eat. Handmade. That's impressive.
I know.
Owen, you leave that little sewer baby alone. You be good to that baby. You be good to that baby. He's a good baby. Yeah, he's a good baby. Is that a baby? Is that a baby? I haven't seen that baby in a long time. You be easy. You stay down. You stay there and be good to this little baby.
Well, you have to be... No.
Down. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. You be easy. You be good to that baby.
Give me a kiss.
You be good.
Kitty. No.
No.
Owen McNamara.
You be good to that
We're
baby.
gonna put you away, girl.
Yeah. Owen wants to eat you.
Owen, this naughty boy.
We do not eat.
We don't eat pets.
Rats are friends, not food. You chewing on my nail, sir? Someone's chewing on my nail. Okay, well, teach me how.
Someone's gonna lose an eye.
And a fingernail.
You're so ratchet. Oh, yeah, there she goes.
Got it. Okay. That's the proper way to do that.
Oh, good lord.
Okay. So, I'm guessing you just pull down on that little lever right there?
Well, yeah, this.
Yes. Hold on.
And then you twist it and open it.
You just keep twisting?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, God.
It's not, it shouldn't shoot out. It's just like a little cage.
Am I going the wrong way?
Well, I don't know. I can't
so.
see what you're
Yes,
doing.
yes. That's going the wrong way.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
It broke.
Oh.
Now what? it.
Here, take this.
Okay, you figure it out.
Lord Almighty in heaven.
It's not my fault. It broke. You're the one that told me how to do it.
Don't send a girl in to do a woman's job.
I'll punch you in the head. Oh, okay. Woo! That was awesome. We're having a party at 10 a.m.
Okay.
This is the best day of my life.
These are gross. I'm gonna wash them. All right, shut that off and then
gross. Okay. This is real life, people, having grody wine glasses.
They're all dusty.
We're back in business.
Take 2. All right, I'm just gonna use this.
Fancy. Morning mimosas. Do you watch American Dad? Probably not.
No. If I was really fancy, this would have been cold and I'd have like oranges or strawberries or some bullshit to put in it, but I'm not that fancy.
Nope, me either. I'm okay. I wasn't even expecting mimosas, so I'm super excited about it.
Okay, here you go.
This day of my life.
Cheers.
Boop.
Alright, let's eat some food.
Yum. Oh, wait. Okay, so our breakfast spread is mimosas. Got me a glass of milk, farm fresh eggs, crispy bacon, potatoes with, what kind of cheese is on there?
Parmesan.
Parmesan cheese, and toasted English muffins with butter, and 2 begging pepperonis. So we're in a Seneca White Deer Visitor Center, and we just saw 2 white deer along the road. And they're like, special. Like, this thing. But they're pretty cool. They're not albino, they're just deer.
I know that. I can think of it that is money.
That's a reason.
Stop it.
So beauteous. A little chilly, but we are, we're in Giselle. We're walking to the falls instead of just getting a look from the overlook. We're actually walking there. I'm gonna put you away because it's slippery. Wow.
Hey, here.
It is solid ice. Oh my god. I just sat on that wall for a picture for Instagram, and my butt is so freaking wet. Maybe I'll warm up by that campfire that we saw earlier. There's people out there taking pictures for the gram.
Here. Come here. Come here.
Got a fireplace. Just found it, and I'm warming up my butt. And Alyssa's building the fire up for me. It's so cold. Don't sit on a cold wall when it's like 20 degrees outside.
For Tyler at his first job.
Cats were anywhere in the living room, they ran and freaked out.
I just had a heart attack because, so I'm coming home from getting groceries and I see something just barreling at me, like smaller than Owen, but still running, just like full force ahead at me.
That's fine.
What? Do you not want it in there?
Yeah, but I guess still I'm in the car.
I'm taking it in there. Okay, so I see something just running at me, and I'm like, what is that? And it was my neighbor's, he has a bulldog. Her name is Barbara. She's a sweet girl. She's like a baby, but she's, they've had her since we moved in. And, so she, like, runs over and is greeting us, and then she runs up on the porch, and they're trying to leave, or it wouldn't be an issue, like, you know, she's more than welcome to come over anytime. So she's like running around and they're like, Barbara, come on, Barbara, we're trying to leave. And we open the door to put the groceries inside. She just runs inside. So Barbara's like running around my house, and Owen and her are like such good friends, and I'm like, oh, they're girlfriends and boyfriend, but her dad says she's not old enough to date yet, but Owen would be her boyfriend if she was old enough. And I was like, Barbara can come over and visit anytime, and he goes, oh, well, I don't think I have an option in this, because she wants to come over and visit anyway. So funny like this. She's just a sweet baby. She was literally just like running around our house, just being Barbara. We're gonna go to Dustin St. Colleen's in a little bit to watch The Walking Dead. Right now, we went grocery shopping and then we went and got Taco Bell. Because who wants to cut groceries after they've been shopping all day? Not I. Okay, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Oh, good news. I got a bigger memory card, so I don't have to worry about running out of room anymore. Best day of my life. I forgot to vlog. Oh god. I look a hot mess. Anywho, our favorite ice cream place is seasonal, so they just opened again. So Dust got a peanut butter milkshake. Sick, but so good. And they have like different flavors all the time. So this is called Magical Unicorn, and it's got like little candies in it that are kind of sour and nice and sweet. Hey, do you like Magical Unicorns? Hi Max. Hi Max. Hi Cooper. Do you like Magical Unicorns?
Yeah, our neighbor.
We're gonna watch The Walking Dead in a little bit.